and then just go?
Probably.
Okay.
Are you?
I mean, I'm just qualified.
He's already retired.
I retired cross country.
Tori will let you do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
So if you want them lowered, she'll lower them. If
Okay.
you just want to go out and do like the gambler's choice,
Yeah.
I'm sure she'll let you do that.
Okay.
It's all about the positives here.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna whistle unless you want me to.
No, I'm good. Thanks. Okay.
Okay, this is rider number 125, Abigail Butts, riding LR Lyric.
You got this. Good girl. Good. You got it, baby.
Way to stick with it.
Thanks. Yeah. Thank you. Is that Lyric? Look, she dunks her entire nose in. Okay, I don't want you to drink too much. My gosh, you're like a balloon. Are you done? I don't want you to get too...
Good boy, thank you. Yeah, clean that mouth out.
All right, I think we're good. I think you're good. You want to scratch your face? Yes. Okay.
You done, Sin?
I think we're good. Good girl. Oh, easy. He disappeared. Good girl.